Okay, in this video I'm gonna teach you how to make ringtones for your iPhone. Okay, so let's see. Where's the mouse? Okay, right there. You're gonna pick any song. I'm gonna use. See, right click, get info. Then this is gonna come up. Go options, start time and end time. Maximum time is 30 seconds. Click OK. And right click the song again and create AAC version. She's converting till it makes that noise. It's 30 seconds now. Wait, it's kind of blurry. There, 30 seconds. Right click, show in Windows Explorer. Here it is. Right click, rename, and change M4A to M4R. Double click it and it should pop up in ringtones.
Tempo has reached critical level. Tempo has reached critical level.
Now I'm gonna convert it to my iPhone and show you how where it is.
Come here, girl, bounce. Come here, girl. Come here, girl. Come here, girl, bounce. Come here, girl. Come here, girl. Let me talk to you. Let me see them big titties. Tell me that's a ditty and that pretty.
Okay, it's done. Let's turn this on. Settings, sounds, ringtone. Here's all mine, but here's the one I just created.
Tempo has reached critical level. Tempo has reached critical level.
So yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, peace out.